Oh, Martin Cleaver, pain in the ass. Nothing he owns seems built to last. His camera's broke, his phone's gone flat. He swears at the telly and kicks the cat. Oh, Martin, Martin, pain in the ass. Drinks too much and falls on the grass. Loves his dog and rides too fast. Till the coppers said, "That's your last." He bought a drone to film the sky. It hit his shed, then learned to fly. His smart TV just marks his face. Input not found, he's lost the race. Oh, Martin, Martin, pain in the arse. Burnt his toast and smashed his glass. Loves his bike but rides too quick. Now the cop said, "Son, you're next." He's got gadgets, wires, plugs and crap. Each one ends in a lightning zap. He called me up, said my app won't load. I said, "Mate, it's 'cause you're in airplane mode." Oh, Martin, pain in the arse. His luck's so bad, it's world class. He means well, but oh good Lord, even his dog looks kinda bored. But we love old Martin, bless his heart. He's useless, daft, but plays his part. So raise your glass and give him cheer, 'cause without his chaos we'd be bored all year. Oh, Martin, Martin, pain in the arse. Let's all drink and let it pass. He's our mate, our clown, our laugh. Martin Cleaver, you daft old calf.